Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola, the world's most popular soft drink, is made? It's an iconic beverage enjoyed by millions of people worldwide, but have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making the perfect bottle of Coca-Cola? Today, we're going to take you behind the scenes and give you an exclusive look at the production process of this legendary drink. From its secret blend of flavors to its signature caramel color, we'll reveal the secrets of Coca-Cola's production and show you how it has become the beverage that has stood the test of time. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate process behind this beloved drink and discover why Coca-Cola has been a favorite for over a century. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey into the world of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is made using a unique blend of ingredients, carefully sourced and blended to create its signature taste. The key ingredients of Coca-Cola include high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid. The syrup is made by mixing the ingredients in precise proportions, and it's this syrup that gives Coca-Cola its unique flavor. The high fructose corn syrup used in Coca-Cola is made from cornstarch and is used as a sweetener in many soft drinks. The caramel color gives Coca-Cola its iconic dark brown hue and is created by heating sugar until it caramelizes. Caffeine is added to Coca-Cola to give it a stimulating effect, and phosphoric acid is used to add a slightly acidic taste to balance the sweetness of the high fructose corn syrup. Coca-Cola's flavor profile is carefully guarded and remains a closely kept secret. However, it's known that the drink contains a blend of natural flavors, including vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus. These flavors are carefully mixed to create the signature taste that sets Coca-Cola apart from other soft drinks. The quality of the ingredients is crucial to the production of Coca-Cola, and the company goes to great lengths to ensure consistency across all its production sites. Coca-Cola has rigorous standards for sourcing its ingredients, and each batch of ingredients is tested for quality and purity before being used in the production process. In addition to the main ingredients, Coca-Cola also uses a variety of other additives, including preservatives, stabilizers, and flavor enhancers. These additives help to ensure the consistent quality of Coca-Cola and give it a longer shelf life. Overall, the ingredients used in Coca-Cola are carefully selected and blended to create a unique and distinctive taste. The quality of the ingredients is essential to the production process, and Coca-Cola's commitment to sourcing the best ingredients is what sets it apart from other soft drinks on the market. The production process of Coca-Cola is a complex and carefully orchestrated process that ensures the consistency and quality of every bottle of the iconic drink. The production process can be broken down into several key stages, including mixing, carbonation, bottling, and quality control. The first stage of the production process is the mixing of the ingredients. The high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid are mixed together in precise proportions to create the syrup. The syrup is then transferred to large mixing tanks, where it is blended with water to create the final mixture. The mixture is constantly stirred to ensure that all the ingredients are thoroughly blended. The next stage of the process is carbonation. Carbon dioxide is added to the mixture to create the iconic fizz of Coca-Cola. The carbonation process is carefully controlled to ensure that the level of carbonation is consistent across all production sites. Once the mixture has been carbonated, it is ready for bottling. The bottling process is a highly automated process that involves filling bottles with the Coca-Cola mixture, capping them, and labeling them. The bottles are first thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before they are filled with the mixture. The filling process is controlled to ensure that each bottle is filled to the correct level and the caps are tightly sealed to prevent any leakage. Quality control is a crucial part of the production process of Coca-Cola. The company has rigorous quality control measures in place to ensure that each bottle meets its high standards. Samples are taken at various stages of the production process and are tested for quality and consistency. This includes testing the mixture for its flavor profile, carbonation level, and appearance. The bottles are also subjected to pressure tests to ensure that they can withstand the pressure from carbonation. In addition to these quality control measures, Coca-Cola also has strict hygiene and safety protocols in place to ensure the safety of its employees and the quality of its products. Employees are required to wear protective clothing, and the production areas are kept clean and free from contamination. The production process of Coca-Cola is a complex and highly controlled process that ensures the consistency and quality of every bottle of the iconic drink. From the mixing of the ingredients to the bottling and quality control measures, every step of the process is carefully controlled to ensure that the final product meets the high standards set by the company. It's worth noting that the production process of Coca-Cola may vary slightly depending on the region where it's produced. This is because the taste preferences of consumers may differ across different regions, and Coca-Cola may need to adjust its recipe to cater to local tastes. Overall, the production process of Coca-Cola is a fascinating and complex process that involves a careful blend of ingredients, precise mixing and carbonation, and stringent quality control measures. It's these factors that have helped Coca-Cola maintain its position as the world's most popular soft drink for over a century. Coca-Cola is not just a soft drink, it's also a globally recognized brand with a long and storied history. Coca-Cola's marketing and branding efforts have been instrumental in establishing it as a household name and helping it become the iconic brand it is today. Coca-Cola's early marketing campaigns were focused on creating a positive and uplifting image for the brand. The company's advertising campaigns often featured wholesome images of happy families and friends enjoying Coca-Cola together. These campaigns helped to create a strong emotional connection with the brand and helped to establish Coca-Cola as a drink that was synonymous with happiness and togetherness. Over the years, Coca-Cola has continued to refine its branding efforts and has embraced a range of different marketing strategies. One of the most notable examples of Coca-Cola's marketing success was its Share a Coke campaign. This campaign involved printing people's names on Coca-Cola bottles and encouraging consumers to share them with their friends and loved ones. The campaign was hugely successful and helped to generate a significant amount of social media buzz as consumers shared pictures of themselves with their personalized Coca-Cola bottles. In recent years, Coca-Cola has also made a strong commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. The company has launched several initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, including a commitment to use 100% recycled plastic in its bottles by 2030. Coca-Cola has also supported a range of charitable causes and has been involved in various social and environmental initiatives around the world. Overall, Coca-Cola's marketing and branding efforts have played a crucial role in establishing the brand as a global icon. The company's focus on creating positive emotional connections with its consumers and its commitment to sustainability and social responsibility have helped to keep the brand relevant and resonant with consumers around the world. In conclusion, the production process of Coca-Cola is a carefully orchestrated process that ensures the consistency and quality of every bottle of the iconic drink. From the precise mixing of the ingredients to the carbonation and bottling processes, every step is designed to produce the perfect bottle of Coca-Cola. However, Coca-Cola is not just a drink, it's also a globally recognized brand that has been built on a foundation of strong marketing and branding efforts. Coca-Cola's marketing campaigns and branding efforts have helped to create a strong emotional connection with the brand and have established it as a household name. Despite the challenges of the global soft drink market, Coca-Cola has remained one of the most popular soft drink brands in the world. Its commitment to quality, sustainability, and social responsibility has helped it maintain its position as a global icon, and it will undoubtedly continue to be a beloved brand for generations to come.